Hello everyone, I hope guys you are doing amazing. So welcome to my another video, and on today's topic I'm going to actually help you to create your own Calendly link. So before this, let me tell you why it is important. So when I was not aware about the Calendly, so I used to have the call on my WhatsApp and on the Zoom, directly sending the Zoom to people. And when I have to book the appointments, I just write down on the notepad that this person has booked the appointment for the 4 a.m., for the 4 p.m. So, and then at the same time I have to send the link to that person. So that is a kind of very hectic, okay, and that is also not the professional, it's a kind of very unprofessional. So what happened that when I invested in coach and learned all these strategies, then I also got to learn the how Calendly is actually the app which actually going to help you to book an appointment. Okay, so it is a very crucial part of every business because the appointment booking is like involved in every business. So it's a very important. Calendly is one of the best app that actually help you to book the appointments on the fast pace. So let's start to create an account with a Calendly, and it also help you to nurture the people, to filter out the people more and more, that so we can identify that this person is right fit for our the strategy call that we have scheduled, and this person is unqualified for our call. So that is actually also help with this. So guys, let me share the screen with you, and let's start learning without wasting our time. So guys, make sure if you're on my YouTube channel, you make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so you are aware and get the notification about my upcoming videos and informative videos and full of knowledge of the advanced learning, so you can grow and scale your business. Either you're into the freelancing business or you're into coaching business. So let's get started. What you have to do is just go on the Google and search here the Calendly sign up. Okay, and here's the first link that you get here. You have to just click on this link. Okay, and first you have to click the link. This interface will come to you, and you have to either write an email. Okay, if your Gmail account is not connected on here, and if your Gmail account is connected, totally is your choice. You can write an email as these are my emails and then sign up. And other is you can just sign up with Google. So what I did, I am just going with the sign up with the Google. So here are my two emails that are currently I am using on my Google. I will be going with, because my first email already connected within a Google, my another Calendly link. So you have to choose the second one. So here's the second email I connected. And here it's asking me to we have to just click on the continue what it is sharing. Let me tell you, by continuing, Google will share your name, email address, language preference, and profile picture with Calendly. Okay, so Calendly privacy, just go, and if you want to read the privacy policy, just go and read it. I will go with the continue. After the continue, here is another permission the Calendly asking. I will allow that also, and here is that we are going to get. How do you plan on use Calendly? As I am individual working, so I will be going on my own work. If you are working with a team, then you can go with the team option. So here's, I have clicked with the my own. Now here's the Calendly is asking that what kind of work I do. Okay, either I'm into the sales, I am customer success, I'm recruiting, marketing, education, consultant. As I am consultant, I will be clicking on the consulting. Okay, and I will be clicking on the continue. Okay, you have to choose the niche according to you, and here is what you will get. An interface again, and here is the all the what your Calendly link has you have set up properly your sign up your Calendly link. So now what you have to do is If you are unclear about anything, you can just go and watch that. There's a 4-minute training, set your meeting location. There's a 2 minutes training, set your hours of availability, and I will also tell you. And here's a preview and a share your book. Okay, so the two options we have already done. Now here is the my here's a my Calendly, and our, because we have just generated our one link till yet, it's our events. Okay, you can generate it a lot of events here. So this is the event, and it is a 30 minutes meeting, and view booking page. Let me tell you that how it is looking like right now. Okay, it's just going to take a little bit time. Okay, so as you can see, that is like, if someone will click on the link, this type of interface will come in front of that person. And the Sunday is totally off on the Calendly link, and the other days are totally on. And for example, if I am the customer and I want to book the Friday, and here is also asking us to schedule the time. So Calendly, here's the best part of the Calendly, that it make the other person feel feasible to choose the date where the person is free, and the person can easily have the call with us, and also he can choose his own time. And definitely we have to set the time zone according to our comfort zone as well. So here it is go. And now let me tell you that how actually you have to go with that. Here's for example, 9 p.m. I have just selected the time. Here's a few questions. The 3 questions that Calendly is asking me: email, my name, email, and there is something that will help us to prepare our meeting if you want to see. And here you can schedule the call by clicking on the event. So you will also be notified by your email. And the best part is that when your meeting will be like, for example, it's now I have to schedule the meeting at 9 p.m. and right now it's 8:30 p.m. So I will get a notification from our Calendly. It's a reminder that we have the meeting after the 30 minutes. It's the best part that I really like it. So what we have to do is we have to go on the setting. We have to go on edit, because we have to add the few things. So here is training timing. We want we want, for example, a 60 minutes training. Okay, and we can here write. You can give any name of your event to people. I think my 6 is not working. Yes, I don't know why. Okay, so well, wait. Here you have to write anything you want according to the meeting purpose and the duration of the meeting. Either you want it's a 15-minute, it should be 30-minute, because after the duration you will be selected over there, the meeting will be automatically disconnected or the end. Here is the location. You can select Zoom as it's already connected on the Zoom, and you can also connect and write the description of that, why it is this event you have generated, what will be the purpose, what is the purpose of this meeting, and you can just save and close it, right? And here is the hosts and invites, that I'm the host, right? And I will be inviting the person for the meeting. Here's the schedule setting, that you have to schedule the definitely Calendly slots, timing slots and day slots according to your feasibility. So it's here's the 60 days written, or that's maybe for the 2 months or 3 months, I'm not sure. Calendly days and the weeks are included here. So what you have to do is, okay, so here is the time that you can actually set the time you want to open the slot for the meeting. For example, if you are busy from the morning 8 a.m. to 12 a.m., you don't want the people to schedule the call on this time, so you just go and only type 1 for 1 event type using the schedule. Okay, yes. So we are scheduling only because we have all till now only scheduled the one event. So we will be changing the timing according to our event. For example, the Monday is I am not available at 9 a.m. So I won't show here the 9 a.m. I will go with the 1 p.m. Okay. I will go with the 1 p.m. and 5 p.m. that I am I am available for my people from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. and so on. I can also add more time. For example, after 5 p.m. I am busy, and then I can select 8 p.m. for the same day, and here is 11 p.m. Okay, choose and then okay, so here on the Monday we have opened the two timing slots, 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. and 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. and here it's go on. If you want to add more slots from the same day on the same day, you have to just go and click on the plus option. And here is for the whole weekend plan that you can schedule it according to your time and availability. So I hope guys you got to know about how to schedule the events, how to schedule the times. As an appointment booking page, there is a most important and very important, I would say, questions that actually will help you, add a questions that will help you to know to the people, and you can get more qualified leads for your business or the call. Name, email, and these are compulsory that we have to get. Okay, here what is another option? It's giving it's a first name and a last name. Okay, and we don't want the guest to allow others to invite others, so we keep it off. It totally depends upon you. You want to keep it on or not. Here's a few questions that we have to according to our niche. We have to put it according to our niche. So let me tell you, if I can find my own Calendly link, so I can give you some ideas that I have put already on my Calendly to filter out the people. Let me just see. Well, guys, I am not able to find my Calendly link, so no, just wait. I will. Let me give you a review on it on my Calendly. Okay, where it is? I think so. I'm not able to find it. Hmm. Okay, so let's get back to that slide. Okay, and here's exactly you can edit the name and the email and questions that you have to add. Okay, here was we were. So please share anything that will help you to prepare for the meeting that is like already done. You can also choose a multiple choice, one line sentence, multiple choice. You want to ask people that what the budget they have and you want to give them the few options only they have to select. So you can also go with the multiple choice and so on. There you are going to actually have the more questions, and there if you want to add more question, add a question and write the question over there and give them the option to answer them. Either it's a checkbox or and you can answer them a one, two, and a three, and so on. Okay, so that is you can utilize and make a Calendly link. So save it. Okay, so now here is visit. You can go and make sure to check to have a review after having done everything. Make sure to have a review on it as well. Okay, so here as we have done a 1 hour meeting. So if I check the day 9th, here's the time selection we have, right? Let's go on a Monday. So that is how you can, and what you have to do, you just copy the link and send them over your to your leads, so the people can click on it and can schedule the call according to their time and the feasibility. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video, and make sure to subscribe my channel and watch my training series of trainings, $10,000 that I am working, and it's a day 3 today that we are going to upload it soon. So see you soon. Thank you so much for your time. Take care. Bye bye.